morning, guys. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. Wednesday morning, we had a very good start of the week, so let's see what's going on. Wednesday, we're gonna track down right now the major currency pairs, and we're gonna see how do they react according to our support and resistance levels. So definitely week full of economical events and of course pretty big moves yesterday. As usual, we start with Euro US dollar. What's going on? As you can see, this is why Euro is so unpredictable. It was heading to the new resistance level 1.1323 in the middle of this road to the upside. Just decided simply to start falling down and then fell down very big time. We are talking about 50-60 pips for a couple of hours. Why this happened actually is because yesterday core retails and retail sales in US came up very green, 0.5% for both. So after that, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell gave a speech. So this is, as we expected, brought volatility on all the major currency pairs. Quick reminder about today's CPI in GBP, 8:30 GMT in the morning, 9 a.m. CPI in Eurozone, building permits 12:30 core CPI in Canada, and crude oil inventories 2:30 p.m. So for today, Canadian dollar, GBP, and US are gonna be in focus for sure. I'm not gonna trade Euro US dollar for sure. As you see, it's just super unpredictable and going suddenly can change its direction. About the GBP US, what's happening? Tested the resistance, and for 2 days since Monday, we see very good drop of 160 pips. Of course, this was the retail sales yesterday helped this drop to be much bigger than it started. 1.2417 is the current price, and we can see slight recovery to the upside as a normal price action after such a big drop. I keep the same levels. We can put this as a resistance 1.2439, but since it's pretty close to the current price, I think it's gonna be broken and it's gonna start going up to test the next resistance level. So for this, I'm gonna move 1.2771 old resistance line into new one, 1.25. It's a round number, strong resistance, and pretty common. Now we see the price is retracing back from round numbers. GBP US, this is simply the situation for the GBP. We have economical event for Great British Pound, so it's important to follow it. Australian US didn't manage to break out our new resistance 0.70469 yesterday, and as you can see, it's reversing back to the downside. A little bit shaky is the Australian dollar, so you have to be careful when you are taking short opportunities, because yes, we are on a bearish side, but we definitely can see there is a big chance to see breakout of the resistance 0.7046, and that's why I'm just gonna wait a little bit more to see what is gonna happen with the Australian, then I'm gonna take an action. As you can see, it started creating an uptrend, not confirmed. In order to confirm it, we have to see breakout of this level. New Zealand US, quite similar, didn't break out the resistance level 0.6719, trying right now to push up, but obviously it's a little bit, it's stalling right below the resistance level. 0.6682 support, 0.6719 resistance. Between these two boundaries here, I'm gonna wait to see how the price is gonna react. New Zealand is not pretty certain for now, so I'm not gonna trade it. USD Canadian, quickly take a look first the crude oil. My favorite definitely chart, absolutely brilliant, incredibly clear. We've been expecting to see support level, holding the support level 60 on Monday, and after that going to the upside. And what happened, simply started going up and tested 60.93, very near to $61 per barrel, round number, and beautifully after that went down. Very strong bearish momentum and continuation to the downside. So $2.5 drop for a day, I think it's good enough for the crude oil. Right now it's testing the new support 57.30. Let's see if it's gonna break out For now, crude oil, better stay out of it until the crude oil inventories to see what's going to happen in the middle of the day, and then you can take any actions on the crude oil. So what is going on with the USD Canadian following the crude oil? Crude oil is going down, Canadian going down, USD CAD reversing back to the upside. But what do we have here? Strong downtrend. So simply this recovery is absolutely logical, and right now we can see simply Canadian dollar continue going up itself, so USD CAD going down. We can consider this as a recovery after this drop of 125 pips, and now we can see a breakout of the support 1.3037. I'm gonna keep exactly the same levels and reaching 1.30 round number. Really depends on we have core CPI for Canadian dollar and crude oil inventories after that for the crude oil, so definitely USD CAD and crude oil are going to be very volatile and very interesting to follow. USD Swiss franc, so I keep the same levels here also, 0.99 round number resistance level. It's still going nowhere, it's still retraced back to the upside, and right now it's trying to push lower. 0.98 as support level. For now I'm staying aside of the USD Swiss franc until I see testing either the resistance or the support level, when we can discuss some potential trades. USD Japanese yen, so retrace back because of the event yesterday, and simply this is what boosted the US dollar on a positive side. 109 round number tested here, dropped to the downside, tested the support perfectly, absolutely. If you take a look, it's just a perfect test of the support and slight recovery to the downside. 107.84 is going to be definitely my entry for shorting. Very interesting price action. As you can see, price simply tested resistance, strong recovery, after that strong drop, testing again the support, and if we see continuation to the downside, good breakout trade we could have here on the USD Japanese. So for sure I'm gonna follow USD Japan. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, of course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us, like us, Facebook, everywhere, Instagram, wherever you want. Enjoy, have fun, have a very profitable week, of course, and expect my video on Friday.